Some ready-to-eat salads sold by restaurant contain almost the recommended amount of salt for an entire day, a survey HAS found. Effect of high salt intake not counterbalanced by healthy diet. Health campaigners found the salt content of salads bought from restaurants, sandwich and coffee shops, and fast food outlets HAS increased 13% to an average 1,86 g per serving since they were last examined in 2014. Action on Salt, AOS, SAID. The findings highlighted a distinct lack of commitment from the food industry to reduce salt. More than a third, 36% of the 213 restaurants, coffee shop and fast food salads surveyed contained 2 grams or more of salt. Current health guidelines say adults should eat no more than 6 grams of salt a day, or around 1 teaspoon. Pizza Express's Grand Chicken Caesar salad with dough stick contained 5,3 grams of salt, more than IT's classic margherita pizza, while McDonald's grilled chicken and bacon salad with balsamic style dressing contains the same amount of salt. IT's cheeseburger, AOSSID. Even salads branded a particularly healthy option contain high amount of salt, such as Benugos supercharged omega salmon with 3,5 grams of salt. AOSSID. The findings clearly demonstrated the need for clear, consistent nutrition labeling in restaurant and fast food outlets to help customers compare products and make healthier choices. Of the 312 supermarket salads surveyed this year, Marks & Spencer's teriyaki chicken sticky rice salad with a soy and wasabi dressing was the saltiest with 3,5 grams per pack. Only 17% of retail salads surveyed were low in salt and would receive a green label on front of pack information. AOSSID. Excessive levels of salt were unnecessary, noting that Morrison's chicken and bacon pasta contained more than 4 times the salt compared to Asda's spicy chicken pasta. Cheryl and Organics launch campaign to investigate the hidden salt in children's snacks. The survey also found some salads containing almost an entire day's worth of saturated fat. Aldi's 380 g Just Tasty cheese layered salad contained 53,2 g of fat, more than 3/4 of an adult's maximum recommended intake, and 16,7 g of saturated 84% of the maximum recommended intake, while the Sainsbury's 300 g 11. Typically considered to be a healthy option, but restaurants and retailers are continuing to add unnecessarily high amount of salt and saturated fat to their salads and putting the health of their customers in jeopardy. We want the food industry to be transparent by displaying clear, color-coded nutrition information on front of pack or at the point of sale, to help consumers make a more informed decision wherever they choose to eat. Graham McGregor, professor of cardiovascular medicine at Queen Mary University of London, and chairman of AOSSID. It's shocking to see that certain restaurants and supermarkets have failed to take responsibility to reduce salt, especially after our 2014 survey exposed their dangerously salty salads. Reducing salt is the most cost-effective measure to reduce the number of people dying or suffering from strokes or heart disease. We are now calling on public health England to take immediate action. En some recipes that use authentic ingredients like soy sauce which have naturally higher salt content, healthier options are clearly labeled with a ritual logo to help customers to manage their diet, and the salt content is clearly labeled on pack. We are committed to continuing to review the salt in our product, reformulating where possible, and over 82 per 100 of our product already meet Department of Health Salt Targets Press Association.